Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you have a newer BMW that supports the MyBMW app where you could do remote start and be able to do a lot of other different cool features on your BMW, this is the video for you. Just when you update it on your mobile device, I'm gonna show you just how to update it on your BMW because it does matter as far as if BMW pushes an update on your mobile device, your actual BMW needs to be in sync as well. So let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, go ahead and turn just your car on. I'll show you both ways if you have touchscreen on your BMW infotainment system or also on the manual way. So you want to go to apps, then you see all your installed apps on your BMW. What you're going to want to do is hold down your iDrive controller. So just push that down. Update apps and services. So it's going to ensure that your MyBMW app is updated like you just updated on your mobile device. So apps and services are all updated. And you are good to go. Go back to the home. To do it via the iDrive way, just hitting the home button down at the bottom. Using your iDrive controller. That's how you're controlling it. Scroll to apps, push in the iDrive controller. Push in again, install apps. Push again, hold down for about 3 seconds, and then that way you can ensure all your apps are updated. So there's both ways how to do it as far as if you have the touchscreen BMW system or the iDrive system, and then just hit home again. Well guys, it's easy as that. Updating the MyBMW app on your BMW infotainment system. So if BMW pushes a release to your mobile device, you need to make sure that your BMW is in sync as well. This is very important as far as if they push different features. That way you don't get any error messages when you try to work it on your mobile device. So I just wanted to make a quick and easy video for you guys, pass along the information. Now when you're doing that process, you are updating all the apps on your BMW, not just the MyBMW one. So everything is gonna be in sync of all the apps that you have on the infotainment system. Well guys, appreciate you stopping by. Big thumbs up on today's video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other many great BMW videos that I have here on the channel. I'm here to help you out, save as much money as possible for you, and share the knowledge off to you as the viewer. Hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll chat with you next time. Take care.